Spotify is one of the most popular platforms worldwide. It allows you to listen to your favorite music and discover new tracks for free. A lot of people are using this site for its amazing features. However, only a handful of people know that you can actually earn money from listening to Spotify. It is actually available worldwide, but only a few people do it. You can easily start your online money making journey right now with Spotify Music and earn $260 to $900 from this technique. You do not even need to have any Spotify followers nor referrals. It is really an easy way to earn money online and you can already start for free. All you need to have is a phone or computer. So stay tuned and do not exit this video because I will show you how to earn money online from listening to music. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now, I will show you how you can listen to Spotify music and get paid for doing so. I will also show you how you can create a free Spotify account. Not just that, but I will share with you the secret website that you can use to earn money online. The earning potential from this site is really high. Imagine, you can earn up to $800 in pounds from this site. If you convert it, that is actually more than 1,000 US dollars. You can actually earn this amount of money from using Spotify. The first thing that you need to do is to go to open.spotify.com. If you have an Android phone, you can download it from Google Play Store. It has more than 20 million reviews, so it will be easy to spot. It is also available on the App Store for iPhone users. Just search and download the application. If it is your first time using Spotify, then you need to create an account. Just press this link and click the Sign Up for Free button. You will be redirected to another page where you can start the registration process. You can use your Facebook account or any other email account to sign up. After that, you just need to verify your email and add a unique password. You also need to provide a username for your account. Your birthday and gender will also be asked. Lastly, you need to tick the I am not a robot question. Once you are done, just click the sign up button. Once you are done with the registration process, you can access your dashboard. There is a lot of music that you can listen to on Spotify. There are also numerous music categories that you can look up to. You just need to click on the image of the song that you want to listen to start playing it. You can also create your own playlist with a specific set of songs in this application. Just press the Create Playlist button. After that, you can start adding the songs that you like into it, which will generate a lot of passive earnings for you. Now, I will show you the secret website that you can use to earn money from listening to music. You will be a music curator and you will surely get paid for listening to music. Basically, you will just listen to music and create a playlist on Spotify. You just need to arrange the playlist, then you can submit it on this website. You will earn money from the submissions that you make. Thus, the more playlists that you submit, the more money that you can earn from this site. If you have less than 200 submissions, then you will not be able to earn money. You can only start earning money after completing 200 submissions. This website is called musicgateway.com. It is a site that will pay you for listening to music. Now, you need to remember that the signing up process for this site can be a little complicated. Of course, I will help you with it. Just continue listening and watching this video so that you would not miss any important information. The first thing that you need to do is to scroll down to see the Join for Free button. Just click this and you will get redirected to another page. The new page will say that it is a curator, influencer, and playlist submission application. Try to scroll down more and you will see a question about whether you are a Spotify curator. For this video, we will focus on Spotify and I will share with you how you can earn from it. You just need to listen to various types of music, arrange them into a playlist, and submit them online. So, you need to fill in the form by entering your email address and complete name. You also need to choose Spotify on this question. Then, you would need to input the link of the playlist that you will create. I will tell you how you can find the link later. You will also be asked about the number of entries that you can receive for a week. For this question, it will depend on you and the amount of time, effort, and will that you will put into this work. Just make sure that you will be able to make at least 200 submissions to earn a full-time income. Of course, I will recommend that you make at least 1,000 submissions to earn a lot of money from this site. After that, you need to decide what genre and music categories you want to accept for music curation. Again, the more genres that you choose, the more money that you can earn. The next thing that you need to do is to answer whether you're following the site's Instagram account. It doesn't matter whatever you answer, but I suggest you say yes. The final question is whether you want to be a Music Gateway member or as a guest. For this, choose the Music Gateway member and continue as a guest. After that, you just need to indicate your name and country of origin. They accept applications from all over the world. You will also need to enter a username and password. Once done, you can press the submit button. Once you are already approved, you can start listening to music and making music playlist submissions to begin earning money. Now, I would like you to go to Spotify app again. You can use your phone or computer for this. We are going to find new and different kinds of music. We will also combine them into a playlist and submit it to the site afterwards. On the app, I want you to focus on the categories that are relevant to Music Gateway, such as pop music. Search it on Spotify and it will display a search result based on the keyword. Press the See All button to find all songs that fall under the pop music category. There would be thousands upon thousands of pop music on this site. What you need to do is to create a playlist from this set of music. Just press the Create Playlist button. Then, think of a playlist name such as pop genre. Once you are done, you can click the Create button. You have created a playlist already. The next thing that you need to do is to add various pop music to your playlist. Spotify has a lot of options that are related to pop music. You will easily be able to make your own pop music playlist. Just press the Add button for all the pop music recommendations. Just follow the steps that I am doing on the screen. You simply click on the Join Library and then put it under the pop genre playlist. You will see that the number of songs are continuously increasing. That is all you need to do. Once you're done creating a playlist, you already have one playlist to submit. You just need more than 200 submissions to start earning money. You just need to spend some effort creating these playlists and listening to these songs. Once you're done with everything, you can easily earn more than $1,000. The next thing that you need to know is how you can grab the link. Just press the three-dot icon here. After that, you will see the playlist link. To copy it, simply press the link. Once you have the link, you can submit it to Music Gateway. You just need to repeat this same process over and over again until you can submit more than 200 playlists. It is really easy to do and the amount of money that you can earn from this is a lot. So what are you waiting for? Start your online money making journey now. This is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.